welcome back to another late video of this YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly do like, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. So I won't be wasting much time. Make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end, because today I'll be teaching you guys how to understand and play the game called Township. So for some of you who might not know about the game, this name of the game is called Township. It's a quite interesting game. I've been playing it for a while and I find it interesting. I'll be making another video on how to play, on how to pass the final mode of Resident Evil, Bill's Head or whatever it's called. Because there's this particular level at the end where you have to fight. I think you have to fight with the girl at the last part. Yeah, at the ending of the game. So I'll drop another video on um how to pass that level, because it's kind of hard, where the girl comes with, I think, a chainsaw, and you have to like try and kill her with a pistol that has limited ammo in it. So I'll be dropping a video on how to play that. So for today, first I'll be showing you guys how to play the game called Township. So I find this game quite interesting, and I've been having fun with it during my leisure time. So I just play the game when I'm less busy, and yeah, it keeps me company, and yeah, it's quite interesting and engaging. So first of all, I want to like put the game on full screen so you can see it very well. So I've done well over the past few will I call it months? Yeah, months since I've been playing the game. It's not up to a year yet. So I downloaded the game, I think, earlier this year, and now we are in, I think, now we are in August. This is the last day of August, so I think tomorrow should be September 1st. So yeah, as you can see here, I'm in level 33, and so basically this game is like, is like you own this is your city. As you can see, this is the name of my city. Welcome to KVNG DVD. For those of you who don't know what KVNG DVD means, it means King David. Yeah, because my name is King David. So this is the short form of it. So this is like my town. This is my city. I rule. I'm the government here. You understand what I'm saying? But yeah, we have cash. We have our type of money. It's not dollars actually, but this is our cash, and this is our coin. So this cash, basically, I can use it to um I use it to buy some stuffs, like to make my I can use it to buy more baskets for my orders. I can use it to upgrade some of my stuff, so that the game will go smoothly. Why this coin here? Basically, you use it to purchase stuffs like goods in the market. As you can see, this lollipop here costs 75 coins or cents, whatever you want to call it. This popcorn here costs 19. So yeah, and you can as well use it to purchase houses as well. So I won't want to waste you guys time here. So first of all, as you can see here, we have an airport where you export goods out of the town to I don't know where, but like you just export goods out, and in return you get this rewards here, this particular rewards. So in this airport here, you have to fill in the goods that they asked you to fill in. Like for example, they're asking us to package this stuff here. I don't know what this is called, but it's located in the pastry factory. So, in order for me to fulfill this order, I need to have wheat, about three wheat in my bun. I need to have sugar, just one sugar, and I need to have egg, about three, yeah, about four eggs. But right now I have just three eggs, so I cannot process this particular food right now. This particular muffin, it's called muffin. I cannot process this particular muffin right now because I'm lacking one more egg. So what do I want to do? In order for me to get this egg, I need to go to the poultry. I need to go to the poultry and get some eggs. I'll take about three for now. So I have eggs now. So what I'll do is I'll go back here Then I'll click on it. Then as you can see, I'm good to go. Now I can make my muffin. So in the pastry factory, so in order for this muffin to be completed, it will take me about let's just say 30 minutes in order for this order to be completed. And when it's completed, then um I can now fill my carts. I can now fill this cart for this particular order here. So I need to make like three of this. And for the next order, I have a quote. I need to make a quote. So I made one earlier. So the quotes cost about, I think it takes close to like about 50 minutes or so, like that, to get the other completed. So um I need to get this fabric. I have a wool. I need to get fabric. So in order to make fabric, what do? I need to have cotton. So yes, I have cotton fabric available. So I want to make fabric. So yeah, and as well, um, okay, let me see. I'll load this. It's complete. So as well, we have our deliveries. Our deliveries consist of the helicopter delivery, the train delivery, and the aeroplane delivery. So as for the train delivery, it just consists of you have to fill in these cards here, all of them, like all these boxes here. You need to fill in what is requested. So for example, now for this one, they're requesting I should fill in this I think this is a caramel or something like that. There is in the dairy factory. This is a cream. So I need to get those creams. About how many do they need? They need about six of them. So I'll load six of it. I'm missing one, so I need to produce more. So as you can see here, I'm supposed to put in three, but I only have two. So I'll have to wait until the order gets ready. So, and this one as well, for the next train, I need to load this stuff here. So yeah, and I need cotton as well, but I don't have cotton right now. I have to harvest. I don't have cotton in my barn, so I have to harvest the cotton I planted earlier. So yes, I load that one. So now I'm just waiting for this my cream to get ready. It takes about 14 minutes to get ready. Yeah. Then what else? For this train order to be completed, now I need to as well, wait for this order to be completed as well. I think I need just one. Yeah, just one, and just one as well. So that's for that. Then we also have the helicopter delivery. This helicopter delivery is like it's in town, like you're running your business locally. You're not like exporting. So this helicopter delivery is like trying to fulfill the citizen of the township their orders. So as you can see here, we have this guy. This is a man. He said, I had a dream. I got a job offer from big Hollywood. Blah blah blah. So this guy here, he placed an order. This is order details, and he's planning on paying me about 537 cents, and I'll have my XP. That's my kind of like my rating increased by 502 points. So this man here is his order is a cupcake, a muffin, a potato bread, frozen yogurt, and I think a sweater. So I have every other of his order in check. Just this frozen yogurt I don't have, so I have to go to the factory where I can produce the frozen yogurt. And as you can see here, I have a frozen yogurt that's processing already. So it takes about I have about it normally takes about 3 hours. So I put in this order much earlier. So right now I'm left with 1 hour 17 or 18 minutes left for that order to be completed. So that's for this guy. So his order is being processed. So as for this now, this person, this clown here, he ordered for strawberry. He ordered I think one strawberry. He ordered corn. He ordered rubber, and he's ordering French fries. So I need to throw in some french fries in the fast food restaurant so I can complete his order. He's ordering just one french fry, so that's good for me. And he's as well ordering this ice cream bar, which will take about 4 hours um after this frozen yogurt order has been completed. So yeah, I think so I also have a ban. This is a ban where I store all my goods, all my already processed goods that are just waiting to be shipped out or to be delivered out. This is where they are. And the band can get full. When it gets full, you have to upgrade it. You have to buy, or you have to earn some stuff, some materials like hammer, nails, and buckets. So yeah, the game has a lot of features, like a lot of things. And there's also a market where you can, you can shop stuffs like this. As you can see here, I'm buying some things even though I don't really need them, but I just make sure I buy them. So I bought a coat, so I just filled that order right there. So we have the market as I just showed you guys here right now. The market is there. So as well, I have the farm, the cow shed. So the cow shed is like the cows produce milk. So I need to feed them with cow feed. When I feed them with cow feed, then in return, after about like 30 minutes or so, they produce milk. So I have two I have two cow sheds. As you can see here, I'm harvesting all the milks. So, and I as well have a sheep farm as well. So this sheep farm are the same way, I have the sheep feed. Once I feed the sheep, it produce wool for me. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's called wool. So it takes approximately like 2 hours or so. So I have like 45 minutes or 46 minutes left for this sheep to produce wools. So for the feed, for the animal feeds, I have a feed mill where I can process food for the livestock, excuse me, for the animals. So as you can see here, I have these ones already ready, so I just take them and feed them to the chicken, and as well, feed to the cows as well. So let me just do that real quick. As you can see here, I have two feed mills because the my town is very large, so of course I need to have more than one. So yeah, that's that about that. I don't want to waste too much time explaining this thing. So I have different, it depends on your level, like the level at which the rank at which you are right now and the level at which you are. So the level at which I am right now, I can have all these factories like pastry factory, jam factory, rubber factory, feed mill, bakery, dairy factory, sugar factory, textile factory, tailor shop, snack factory, fast food restaurant, paper factory, ice cream factory, pastry, jam, rubber, like the level I am right now, it allows me to have all these stuffs. But as my level goes higher, at the same time, I'll be able to, have much more factories and everything. So before I end this video, I want to as well show you guys my foundry. So this foundry here is raw materials that I have that I mine. Okay, before I show you guys this foundry, let me show you guys my mine. So this is a mining spot where I have to use a digger, bomb. I think this is a sideways explosive bomb, and this is like a TXT explosive. So this one explodes like sideways. Like if I plant this one somewhere to like clear everything on the side, why this one clears in the I think in the square form, like in the square form. It explodes in the square form. So you dig in, you search for raw materials like silver ore or gold ore. So as you can see, I have four gold ore and I have three silver ore. So I take this raw material, I take it to the foundry, where I, when I throw it in the foundry, then it comes out as a processed, a much more processed product. So, or a much more processed material. So I'll show you guys what I use the material for in a few seconds, in a few minutes, I mean. So I don't have any more raw materials again to recycle or to reprocess. So what I do is that I in turn I use this already finished materials at the Academy of Industry to upgrade my township industries, to make them function more, like to like boost them up kind of. But right now I don't really have enough finished raw materials to upgrade my factory now. So yeah, that's that about it. I didn't actually have anyone teach me how to play this game. When you download the game and you play it after some while, you get used to the interface and everything. And yeah, the game is pretty good, it's interesting, but it consumes a lot of time, which is not really advisable to anybody. But one thing I like about the game is the fact that there's some times whereby you can just, you're just done with everything, like everything is being processed, so you just have to take a break off your screen or off the game and focus on other things to do. But the game is pretty interesting and cool, so if you really do appreciate this video, please do give me a thumbs up, like this video, and as well share to a friend who is planning on either downloading the game or plays the game or something. And at the same time, comment to me what's your favorite good. If you're familiar with this game already, and if you're like new here, comment on this comment on the section, on the comment section box, what's your favorite goods that you like to produce, or what you produce more in your township. So I wish to see you guys in another video, and I wish you guys a lovely weekend and a lovely day ahead.